it down as he stares out of the window in the pale pink neon glow. His thoughts are on the woman he left so long ago. He remembers how she held him last night in L.A. Did all he could in Hollywood, but he gave his songs away. He went to sing in Houston, he was on the midnight flight. His first of many sleepless cold tequila Texas night. Now he's had far too much tequila, far too little sleep, far too many memories, the wounds are far too deep. Far too much of nothing, nothing's going right on a sleepless cold tequila Texas night. After 3 long years of failure and days of hanging tough, late nights when he called her and spoke of giving up. It's so hard to face the future, so he just refills the glass as he tries to feel the distance between the present and the past. Must have been a month ago, the last time that she phoned.